Let's pop this baby open. Ooh, there we go. What is up, you guys, and welcome back again to Ungeek, and today we have another special tech unboxing for you guys, and this time we're actually unboxing something we have not unboxed before. This is from Xiaomi. This is our first phone from Xiaomi, and it is the Redmi 9. So announced quite recently and available online, the Xiaomi Redmi 9 is an entry-level offering from Xiaomi. And apart from that, the Redmi 9 reportedly has really good specs for its price point. Now, as this is our first time also trying out and checking out anything and everything Xiaomi, we're not entirely sure what to expect inside. So sama-sama tayo, tingnan natin kung ano ang nasa loob nito. But before we do that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so because we're making more and more videos for you guys. Kita-kita naman, this is our first Xiaomi, so Xiaomi reached out to us. So thank you so much, Xiaomi, for this. So now that we got that out of the way, let's go on with the unboxing. So as you can see, the Xiaomi Redmi 9 comes in this really pristine white Xiaomi box. There is, of course, the Xiaomi Redmi 9 image printed here up front. You also have the other colorways, which is, I believe this is the ocean green and the purple sunset. What we are getting here is the carbon gray, okay? We are getting the carbon gray colorway. So let's just open this up now. All right, let's do this. There we go. And here you have it, okay? Let's pop this baby open. Ooh, there we go. And wow, really just a plain white box. Versus other phone brands, Xiaomi's packaging goes into the very minimalist, very plain design aesthetic, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. And the phone is inside, but before we take a look at this, let's see what else is inside the whole package. Right, when you open this, you're greeted, ooh, okay, SIM ejector tool, you have your pamphlets here, and of course, ooh, a black jelly case. It's been a while since I've actually seen one of these. Usually jelly cases that comes with other smartphones are not tinted. This is a really nice tinted black translucent jelly case. Huh. And the phone is here, but before that, see what else is inside here. You have your charging block and a USB-C cable connector here. Anything else? Anything else? Earphones? No earphones? Right, no earphones. So ladies and gentlemen, the Xiaomi Redmi 9 in carbon gray. Now, the monotone colorway of the Xiaomi Redmi 9 might be a little bit too plain for you. However, there are other colorways for this. There is the ocean green and the sunset purple, as I mentioned. But what you will be getting are these two textured design intermingling with each other. You have here concentric circles that kind of give it a nice matte finish. And towards the camera sensor, you have a smooth aluminum-like finish. However, the back is not actually metal, nor is it aluminum. It's actually just plastic. So don't expect anything heavy here. This is an entry-level phone from Xiaomi anyway. Coming towards the side bezel, you have here the volume rocker and of course your power button here. And on the other side, you have a SIM card tray and a slot for your micro SD to expand your memory of your Xiaomi Redmi. Towards the rear, you have the 3.5mm jack, your USB-C, and of course speaker grills. As for the display, the Xiaomi Redmi 9 has a 6.53 Full HD display, and it does come with a dot drop notch, a big contrast to a lot of the pinhole notch that we see in other smartphones. As for the rear camera setup, the Xiaomi Redmi 9 has an AI quad camera setup, starting with a 13-megapixel wide-angle camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 5-megapixel macro camera, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor camera. If you're wondering what this piece of glass here is below the camera module, this is actually where you put your fingerprints on. This is a fingerprint scanner, so you can get more security out of your Redmi 9. And for those who love to take selfies, the Redmi 9 has an 8-megapixel front-facing camera for you guys as well. Now, running the internals of the Xiaomi Redmi 9 is a MediaTek Helio G80 processor. This should be able to manage a lot of your apps and give you decent gaming powers as well. Now, coupling this, at least for this variant, are 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal memory. Of course, this is expanded via micro SD card. There is a 4 gig, 64 gig variant as well. Now, powering all of this, binging on a lot of Netflix, playing a lot of games, you're greeted with 5020 milliampere powered battery. This is the biggest one we've seen in this price point. With 5020 milliamp hour batteries, you're bound to last the whole day and probably until the next day, until you top up your Redmi 9. Now, charging 5020 milliamperes could be tedious if you don't have supercharging capacity with you. Luckily, the Redmi 9 has 18 watts of supercharging capability. Now, we're not entirely sure how long it would take to charge the phone from 0 to full, but we will test it out when we write our full review. And that's it for this really quick unboxing and quick look of the Xiaomi Redmi 9. If this is a phone that interests you, stay tuned to Ungeek as we are bound to write more reviews and our first impression on this very soon. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share this video to your friends or to anyone who you feel might benefit from this. And with that, my name is Colin and I'll see you guys on the next one. Guys, please keep safe, keep healthy, and as always, keep on gaming.